Hey, 4th and 5th grade. This is for language and writing days 18 and 19. And then it says metaphors at the top. So this is 2 days worth. So Thursdays and Fridays. Alright guys, so we're going to be reading a poem and then we're going to be answering the questions. I am going to go over these with you, but you're going to come up with some of the stuff on your own. Alright guys, so it says read this poem aloud. It says, what is the sun? The sun is an orange dinghy sailing across a calm sea. It is a gold coin dropped down a drain in heaven. The sun is a yellow beach ball kicked high into the summer sky. It is a red thumbprint on a sheet of pale blue paper. The sun is a milk bottle's gold top floating in a puddle. Alright guys, so that was about the sun. It says, what is the sun? So that's what the poem was about. So now down at the bottom it says, how many metaphors for the sun can you find in this poem? Make a list of them below. Remember, a metaphor is something described as if it were something else. It is like a simile but does not include the words like or as. Alright guys, so I'm going to go through and we're going to underline them together so you know, and then you're just going to write them. Okay, so it gave you the first one. It says an orange dinghy. Okay, so that's up here at the top. I'm going to underline it. So we're trying to figure out what it's describing as a sun. Okay, so it says the sun is an orange dinghy. So we're not going to do the bottom part. So it says it is a gold coin. So a gold coin. So I'm going to underline that. And then you're going to write that right here next to the orange dinghy. So a gold coin. Now the next one, it says the sun is a yellow beach ball. So a yellow beach ball. So you'll write that next to the next one. The next one is it is a red thumbprint. So a red thumbprint. Okay. Now the next one says the sun is a milk bottle's gold cap. So a milk bottle's gold cap. So the blue stuff that's underlined, that goes on this first one right here. You'll just write it, put a comma, and write the second one, okay? Now, it says rewrite one of the 5 verses and change the metaphor to a simile. A simile is using like or as. To do this, you only need to add one word, so like or as, okay? So, for example, I'm going to do this one. It says the sun is an orange dinghy. So what I could say is the sun is like an orange dinghy. Okay, so that's what I'm going to write. So the sun is like an orange dinghy. Okay, so that is it right there. You could use I want you to use one of the other ones. So it says it is a golden coin or a gold coin. The sun is a yellow beach ball. So you could say, the sun is like a yellow beach ball. You can use that. Okay, so now it says pick a verse from the poem and write a short paragraph explaining what it is meant by this description of the sun. So I'm going to use the example that I used. So the sun is an orange dinghy. So, like, the sun is bright orange. It's like a dinghy. It's like a circle. And, it floats. Because it's saying it's sailing across a calm sea. So, you could go down here and say, the sun is like an orange dinghy boat. Like a, bright orange. Okay? And then, it says it is a red thumbprint. So you could say, like the sun is a red thumbprint. It's red. It's, yellow. It's orange. It's all those other colors. Now, it says, which of the metaphors in this poem seems most effective to you and why? So, like coming up here and figuring out which one is the most effective to you. Okay? So, saying, like, the sun being an orange dinghy, like it's very bright to me, like that. Okay, all right guys, this is for days 18 and 19. Hope you have a great weekend.